Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to keep track of habits on Android. Here are the steps to keep track of habits on your mobile phone using a habit tracker app. First, unlock your mobile phone. Open the Google Play Store, then search for a habit tracker app. Examples are Loop Habit Tracker, Habitica, HabitNow, or Habitify. Tap on your chosen app and tap on Install. Open the app after installation by tapping Open. Tap the plus button, located at the bottom right or top right, to add new. Here, choose your type of questions. For example, close-ended questions like yes or no, or open-ended questions like the measure or quantity. So choose yes or no for now. Enter habit name and frequency. Example, drink water. Set how often you want to do it, like daily, weekly, etc. Set reminders. Tap the reminder, choose time, then choose between AM or PM, and hit save. Tap any day of the week to add notification reminders for your habit. Save the habit. Tap the check mark or save to finish creating the habit. Then set permission for this app by tapping Allow. Mark habits as done. Each day, open the app and tap the X next to the habit. Then hit the check icon to mark it as completed. Check your habit strength. Tap on the mini circle next to the drink water. The app shows a progress graph and habit strength score based on consistency. Also review weekly monthly stats by tapping on the habit to see your detailed stats and stay motivated. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.